Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix exception error code on Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type sfc/scano. Type exit, restart system. Type msconfig in Windows search bar. Click System Configuration. Click Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Click Apply, click Startup tab. Click Task Manager. Disable all startup apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.